Today we are going to find out behind the scenes of Netflix. In terms of Netflix technology stack, we are going to find out clients and backend systems. We are also find out which programming language are they using. We are also going to find out where they store their data. Let's discover the front end, backend, and data storage used by Netflix. Let's get into Netflix front-end stack. The front-end is based on following web technologies: HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, React. And let's get into Netflix backend stack. The Netflix backend is hosted on Amazon AWS. In that, they are using Amazon EC2, Amazon S3, and Mises. Netflix backend, they are using several programming languages such as Python, Flask, Java, Node.js. Let's find out the Netflix backend databases. Data is stored in different database systems based on their needs. Cassandra, Oracle, MySQL, Amazon RDS, Amazon DynamoDB, PostgreSQL. In Netflix, different part of the system, different technologies, different needs, different roles, and one company Netflix. We hope you find out the technology stack of behind the Netflix. Thanks for staying with us. Make sure you have subscribed our channel that really inspire to work better. For more, please visit Coders.